A Patriots fan awaiting a heart and kidney transplant got a surprise visit from tight end Rob Gronkowski. 27-year-old Lauren Mazo of Chicopee posted these pictures of herself and Gronk in her Boston hospital room, along with the caption, "Gronk made my wish come true." Mazo posted a YouTube video last week saying her one wish was to meet her hero Gronkowski. Mazo suffers from a rare form of muscular dystrophy and has been in the hospital for months. She's waiting for her second transplant in just 5 years. There's no word yet on when that will take place.